Myself Priti Pise, third year diploma student of Civil Department from Zeel Institute, Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. The project is to make a report on functions of junior engineer on site. This project is done by 5 members and the project is guided by Professor A.R. Pagadi. So our first slide contains PWD means the Public Works Department was a government department that was responsible for buildings, roads, irrigation and railways. Public works in India such as construction, roads, water tank etc. was originally conducted by the military. This started with the peonies and then by the Public Works Department. The town majors list Bengal and Bombay or the effective super summaries Madras. Much of the responsibility for public works was then passed over to a special section to the Indian Civil Service. In the mid 19th century, later the military once more took responsibility for much of the public works. So drawing attention of the government to the unsatisfactory management and state of affairs in public works, the Court of Directors of the East India Company in early 1852 instituted a commission in each presidency for investigation. The members of the commission were unanimous and the inability of the military board in the management of public works. Lord Dalhousie founded the Public Works Department (PWD), through which roads, railways, bridges, irrigation and other public utility works were undertaken. The commission proposal was implemented in 1854, set out the following basic features. First one, the control of PWD was removed from under the military board and placed under the chief engineers. Second one, the PWD came under the control of provincial government. And the third one is chief engineers to be assisted by the superintending engineers and executive engineers. So our next slide content or organization chart of PWD. The tree chart show all information of the organizing chart of PWD. So our next is junior engineer. A junior engineer is trained professional who works under the direct supervision of an engineer. The role is usually an entry-level position meant to equip the engineer with the necessary skills and experience to enable him or her to execute his or her duties successfully and professionally. Junior engineers are present in all engineering subsections including civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer engineering, etc. Under the senior engineer supervision, a junior engineer's duties include developing project drawings, reviewing project plans and budgets, assisting in getting the required approvals and progress reports. A junior engineer spends half of the time working in the office and half of the time working in the field. So our next is, what does a junior engineer do? There are certain skills that a junior engineer have in order to accomplish their responsibilities. By taking a look through resumes, we were able to know down the most common skills for a person in this position. We discovered that a lot of resumes listed creativity, listening skills and problem solving skills. When it comes to the most important skills required to be a junior engineer, we found that a lot of resumes listed 9.8% of junior engineers included procedure, while 9.6% resumes included control system and 4.9% of resumes included hardware. Hard skills like these are helpful to have when it comes to performing essential job responsibilities. When it comes to searching for a job, many search for a key term or phrase. Instead, it might be more helpful to search industry, as you might be missing jobs that you never thought about, industries that you didn't even think offered position related to the junior engineer's job title. But what industry start with? Most junior engineers actually find jobs in the technology and manufacturing industries. So next is functions of junior engineer. We have 10 functions of junior engineers. The first one is technical supervision of the ongoing civil work. Second one, coordination between different contractors and agency to maintain project speed at the construction site. Third one, control any wastage and improve quality of workmanship. Fourth one, work out requirements of different material for construction. Fifth one, prepare requisitions for different material well in advance. Sixth one, check the material received and prepare quality reports. Seventh one, assist SE in maintaining quality of the civil work as concreting. 8 1, masonry, plastering, flooring, etc. 9. Collect departmental labor payments from the head office and make payments to laborers with due to receipts or vouchers. So the next one is functions of junior engineer. First one, make quality checks on the concrete blocks manufactured along with their recordings. Second one, communicate necessary instructions to supervisors and departmental laborers. Third, cash purchasing of the material from the market. Fourth, prepare and submit monthly consumption reports, daily progress report, etc. with proper assistance from storekeeper and supervisor. Fifth, assist the senior engineer in preparing bills of different contractors. 6. Control stores in absence of storekeeper. 7. Raise memos to the concerned agencies for minor or major wastage occurred on site. 8. Collect the drawings from the architect or structural consultant, etc. 9. Inform the senior engineering or project engineer of the requirement of material. 10. Discuss technical problems or drawings and execution difficulties 11. With the senior engineer or project engineer. So next is junior engineer skills and qualifications. First, math and physics skills. Junior engineers should be able to successfully perform mathematical and physics calculation under the supervision of an experienced engineer. Project planning. Second one, many junior engineers provide support during the project planning and development stages, so effective skills in project planning and drafting are essential. Third one, project management. Because they frequently oversee the day-to-day activities of a construction and engineering process, some experience with project management is very helpful for a junior engineer. 4. Problem solving skills. Junior engineers need to devise technical and creative solutions to a variety of issues that may arise during the course of construction to prevent delay and keep project moving. 5th one, team coordination. Because they work on teams with technicians and other engineers who may be responsible for individual project elements or junior engineers. So next one is tools of the trade. So junior engineers need to be able to use standard office equipment and technologies in addition to the following. First, drafting software in bracket AutoCAD or SketchUp. Project management software in bracket Asana Smartsheet. So next one is junior engineer education and training. Generally, junior engineers have at least a bachelor's degree in engineering. If not advanced degree, this degree should come from a program accredited by the Accreditation Board for Engineering, the Technology in bracket ABET bracket plus. Because this tends to be an entry-level engineering role, most junior engineers do not need much experience and can begin working after completing their degree. These roles provide many opportunities for one-on-the-job training as junior engineers gain more experience and move on to more supervisory roles. Next one is scope for junior engineer. The first one is military, second one is railway, and third one is WPRS. Thank you.